Looks like I just gotta make it farther.
Shotguns only still.
Shotguns only, and everybody just sit in a corner. They can't lose.
Was they even shooting at you?
Dude.
Alright, we're even.
Hey, I'm gonna
Even? You
Holy Jesus. What is that?
Alright,
Yeah, he killed me.
Fuck that, Frost. I didn't Frost.
the basement's crazy.
Achtung, eure Drohne hat eine Bombe lokalisiert.
Oh yeah, let's just go up top.
Drohne bereit.
They're fucking not. They're middle. Oh, oh, oh. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. No.
No.
He said, well. Where? Oh my god, he's behind.
Eigener Trupp getötet.
playing this real tactical.
Yeah. Bryson, I need your claymore.
Where?
Just start.
Oh, that was not a shotgun.
Bryson?
Just throw it and you were already on the wall.
Right, man, old side of upstairs is cool.
Doc is in tarps. He's moved back into wine though.
Bombenentschärfung eingeleitet. Entschärfer beschützen.
Oh my god, Dollar.
What?
What?
Eigener Trupp hat
What
Gegner
in the
eliminiert.
world?
He must have just got it off as soon as you. No? I don't know.
How did I fuck that up?
Didn't see her. She was
If I can
camouflaged.
only see her motherfucking head, and I shoot her, right? And I get a hit marker and I do damage. How the fuck does she not die?
Alright, don't force it, don't force it, don't force it.
Play time here. We just
Push
play
up,
time.
push up. Pass. That's good.
I hit her once.
Yeah.
I'm not peeking.
Where is she?
She's out on the regular balcony.
On the. Yeah.
I'm just killing time here for real. Oh my.
Hey.
Eliminiert.
I think that's a claymore over there.
Let me know if they get in garage. I'll activate my.
Someone just jumped in the window, I think.
I got her.
Nice.
Pushing.
Bleiben noch 5 Sekunden.
Ah, he got me. Fucker.
Right here, planting.
Planting. Watch out, there's a claymore. There's a claymore, don't run right at him. Yeah.
Jesus Christ, that from my POV that looks so he just executed. Oh my god, that's insane.
Ort der Bombe in Gefahr.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what to do here. Except for if we blow this.
Honestly, hey, we have shotguns, so we just all go up top, get rid of the floor, and just.
Zeit für ein bisschen Ablenkung.
That
We
would be
could,
crazy.
let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it.
Everyone go up top.
A few moments later.
People have lost our push.
Oh!
Shit.
Upstairs! They're literally on the window! I couldn't hear them break it.
Whoa.
Dude, I need a slug shotgun, bro. Cause I mean, I'm really firing on them. I'm doing tickle damage.
Hardest things I can tell you right now, bro, is you messed up, and we all know you.
Whoa! I mean, you're probably gonna have to run out on them if you want to be able to defuse, because they're gonna just be outside the window. Oh my, that's insanity.
He's coming to the window, window.
Just jump out on them. You got to. What the hell is
Ein
that?
Gegner
What the hell is even that?
verbleibt. Du bist
The other one's
aufgeflogen.
gonna
you
be
see him?
playing the
You see
window.
him?
Yeah, go for it.
Du wurdest entdeckt.
You're a beast.
Get in there, get in there, get in there.
Entschärfer lokalisiert.
Oh,
Claymore,
Claymore!
Claymore,
Oh my god! Oh my god!
There's no way. There's no
Dude,
way.
you're insane!
Deaktiviert.
Let's go.
Mission des eigenen Trupps erfolgreich.
Dude, this game is
There's
stupid.
no way. That was probably the best touch I've ever had in my life, just because the fact I used a shotgun and
Yeah. Dude, that's lit. Shotguns only is the wave.